How to fix Spotify sound quality. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps. On apps, as you can see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Spotify. When you found Spotify, just open it like this and go to storage option, then go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord, your Spotify, sorry, again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.